In this video, I'll be telling you how you can scrape any local business information from any location using no-code automation tools. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh, and on this channel, I make videos around AI automation. So I'll be telling you how you can use no-code automation tools like make.com and Apify to build this automation which scrapes the information around any local businesses in any location, and then you can reach out to those businesses and promote and sell your services. So before we build this automation together, let me give you a quick overview of how this automation will work. So this is make.com, and I've created this scenario where I'm using a module for Apify. If you don't know what is Apify, Apify is a marketplace which has got built-in scrapers which you can use. And you can sign up on Apify and you will get $5 credit. And these will be good enough for you to get started and test out different scrapers. So in this automation, what we are doing is we are watching this Apify scraper to run. And the scraper which we are going to use is Google Maps Extractor, this particular scraper. And basically it's going to scrape Google Maps, and they will give an input like we need to scrape the information for restaurants in New York or plumbers in New York. And then what will happen is it will watch this Apify module to run. It will collect the information from the previous module, and then we are going to use OpenAI to extract the information like the email address, the contact number from the information which we are going to get from Apify. As you can see here in this prompt, I'm collecting business name, website URL, and contact information. And then we are going to store this information in a Google Sheet like this. So now let's build this automation together. So first up, we'll create a new scenario in make.com and we'll look for Apify module. And here, what we are going to do is we are going to select watch actor runs. And over here, we need to add our hook. So we'll just click on add, and we are going to extract the information for dentists in New York. So I'll just name this as dentist New York. And we are going to choose this actor, which is compass / Google Maps Extractor. So we'll just select that one and we click on save. Now we got this address as well, but we click on OK over here. And next we are going to add another Apify module, which is going to be get dataset item. So what it will does, it will fetch the items from the previous Apify module. So here we need to add the dataset ID. So for that, you can just search for it. So this is the default dataset ID, which we need, and rest we can leave it like this. Now, after connecting the dataset module, let's just run it. And now we go back into Apify, and under the Google Maps Extractor compass _ Google Map Extractor, we specified that we want dentists in New York, and for testing purposes, I'm just going to fetch 5 results, and rest of the settings you can play around with it, but I'm not changing anything. And then I click on start. It's starting to run. We need to give it a minute or so to run it completely. All right, it has given us these results. As you can see, the automation has run and it has given us these results. You can see this is New York Family Dental Arts, and we have Central Park West Dental. So it has given us the results. Now we need to add an OpenAI module. We'll do create a completion. You need to connect your OpenAI connection with Make. And the model which we are going to select is the latest one. Chat GPT 4.0 latest. And then we add a message. The role will be user, and the text content will be we are going to write this: analyze this website and give me the following details in the required JSON format. And we'll specify website, and we are going to put the website from the previous module. The website will be here, this one. And then we specify the format. So we need business name. It's going to be name of the business. We specify next the website URL. We'll specify website URL of the business. Comma. We put contact information. Email ID of the business. We close this, and rest we just leave it like this. We click OK, and next we'll add the Google Sheets module. So we'll select Google Sheets and add a row, and here we'll connect our Google Drive. And then we need to give the path to this sheet which I have created. Sheet name will be sheet 1. As you can see, this is the sheet 1 here. And now we map the name with the business name from the previous module. Okay, before we do that, let me just run this once. All right, it has run, and let's see, it's given us the information. Okay, now let's map the details. Name of the business. Okay, now it has run it again, and let's see the results. Okay, going to see it has given us business name, website, and the contact information. Now we can just connect our Google Sheets module, and let's map the name with the business name, website, the website URL, and the email will be the contact information. And rest we can just leave it like this and click on OK. Now let's run this again. Let's run this, go back to the actor, and let's just run it again. Once you have this automation set up, you don't have to do it every time. This is just for the demo purpose I'm showing you. That's why I have to run it again and again. All right, we got the information. All right, it's updating for 5. Now let's look in the sheet. See, so we got the name of the business, Dentistry New York, the website, and the email address. So this is how simple it is to extract the information for any local business in any country, any city. And then, as I said, you can use this data to promote your services. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions about this automation, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.